Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and today in this video I will be teaching you one machine learning project that is nothing but a house price prediction app. So here we can be predict the house price according to our requirements. So in this channel I will be providing machine learning projects tutorials and also IoT based tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please visit the channel and see some videos. If you feel good, then only subscribe. Okay, so let's test this app. So here we have to fill the details. Okay, I'm filling my requirements. So I wanted a home in 1400 square foot with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, number of stories, let it be 1, number of parking, let it be 1. Okay, and is there a main road? I say yes. Guest room, as I'm already taking 3, I'm choosing 4. No. Basement, yes. Basement, yes. Hot water, yes. Air conditioning available, yes. Located in preferred area, yes. And let it be semi furnished or else furnished, no worries. And with these parameters, let it predict the price. Okay, so with these parameters, the machine learning predicted for this amount. So before going to start this video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified in each new tutorial videos. And if you have any project assistance which is paid, and also if you wanted any any type of special IoT projects or else machine learning projects, please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. This code will be free, and if you wanted any modification, if you want end-to-end support from starting to ending of the project at best cost, please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. So these are the codes which we need to run, and yeah, there is app.py, train.py, requirements.txt, txt, and also housing.csv. So in housing.csv we have around 546 data, where the labels are price, area, bedroom, bathroom, stories, main road, guest room, basement, hot water heating, air conditioner, parking, prefer area, and furnishing status. Okay, so initially we can see these libraries are not yet installed. We need to install. So for this we need to go to this terminal, click on new terminal. Here we need to create a environment for this project. So I'm creating Python 3 MVENV virtual environment, and this is my env, means my virtual environment. So as we can see, some files have been created. Now we need to activate this virtual environment. For this, source my env bin activate. So with this command, our virtual environment will be activated. As we can see, we are inside the my virtual environment. Now we need to install this libraries, Python libraries. Okay, so all are in requirement.txt. So we need to type pip install R means read. It will read requirements.txt. After writing typing req, after entering tab, you can get requirement.txt, or else you can type requirements.txt by seeing here. Okay, now hit enter. The libraries will be automatically installed. Now as we can see, all the requirement files are installed. Now we need to come to train.py and run this code. It will take this housing.csv and turn it into a .pkl file, which will be our model for this project. It will take some time, and after some time it will be automatically generate here .pkl file, model.pkl. See, as we can see, the model.pkl file is been created. Now come to this app.py. Here we need to type Streamlit run app.py. Now here we can mention total area in square feet. I am typing here 900 or else 900. Okay. Total bedrooms I want is 2, bathroom is 1, and number of stories will be 2, and parking spaces, let's say I have one bike, and is there a main means like do you want this house in main road access? No, I don't want in main road access. No. And is there a guest room? Guest room already I have entered 2, so I don't want extra guest room. Basement, yes. Hot water, yes. Air conditioning, yes. Located in preferred area, yes. And furnishing status, I wanted fully furnished, and predict the price. See, it's predicted. Let's say I change it to 3 bedrooms. Okay, with 1200 square foot. Now it will be predicting to this price. Let's say I changed the bathroom to 4, not 3, let's say, and the square foot will be now 1400, and I also want one extra guest room also. Predict the price. So this is how this project will done. So I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button, and also share this video among with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one. And yeah, if you are looking for any extra project help, or else any customized projects, then please do contact to the number which have been given.